how to install and uninstall standalone Rust installer. These are the details of the Linux system which we used to create this content. To whom standalone Rust installer will be needed? People who want to install Rust offline can use standalone Rust installer. However, note that internet is needed first to download standalone Rust installer, and after that, installing Rust through standalone Rust installer can be done offline. Go to Google search and type Rust programming language. Click the first search result, which has the domain name rust-lang.org. It will load the Rust official website. In the Rust website homepage menu bar, click Install. Next, in the Install Rust web page, click See Other Installation Methods. In the Other Installation Methods web page, click Standalone Installer. Scroll down. Find and download the tar, which is suitable for Linux system. Extract downloaded tar file. Now, we can see a folder was created with name of the tar. Go into that particular standalone Rust folder. Open a terminal here. Type the command sudo space dot / install .sh. Enter the password. Now, Rust will be installed. These are the components installed with this standalone installer. Let we check whether Rust was successfully installed or not by typing the command rust c space -- version. Here, I checked the Rust version within the same terminal, and Rust was installed successfully. But it is recommended to restart terminal first, and after that, proceed to check Rust was successfully installed or not. Here, RustUp will not be installed. We can check that by typing the command rustup space -- version. Uninstall standalone Rust installer. Go into that particular Rust standalone installer folder. Type the command sudo space / install .sh space -- uninstall. Enter the password. Now, Rust will be uninstalled. Let we check whether Rust was successfully uninstalled or not by typing the command rust c space -- version. And we can see Rust was uninstalled successfully.